Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I want to show you guys how to make Ofe Onugbu, in English bitter leaf soup. But before then, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg in the name of God. Thank you so much as you do so, and may God bless you. So guys, let's head on straight to the video. The first thing I'm going to be introducing in the pot is my meat. Now guys, into the pot I have put my beef, assorted and pomo cow skin, and I'm going to be cooking this for about 40 minutes. So guys, this is my seasoning cube. I'm going to be adding that into the pot. And then my salt. I'm going to be adding salt to taste. Yeah. I've added 1 spoon of salt. I'm going to add in little quantity to it. And then lastly, I will be adding my water. So guys, with this, I'm going to turn on the gas and allow this to cook, like I said earlier, for about 40 minutes. I know you're going to be wondering why I didn't add onion into the pot while cooking my meat. But the truth is, this is Ofe Onugbu, as in Ofe. And for this kind of native soup, we don't need to add onion. Like, it is not necessary. But if you want to add onion, you are free to. But when I cook my own Ofe Onugbu, I don't like to add onion. I want it natural. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook. In here I have got my cocoyam and then my palm kernel. This I prefer to the palm oil that we normally use to cook other soup. For this Ofe, I'll be using this to cook it because of the natural taste it adds to my soup. This is cocoyam and this is for thickness. It makes the soup thick. So guys, after cooking my meat, this is what my meat looks like. So I'm going to set this aside and then put my cocoyam and palm kernel on fire. Okay guys, as you can see, I have put my palm kernel and my cocoyam on fire, and I'm going to be allowing this to cook for about 30 minutes till we get soft. Okay, so I am actually cooking this together because I want to save time and I also want to save gas. Okay, but if you want to cook it separately, you can cook it separately. But when it gets done, I am going to separate this, put the palm kernel and pound it separately and pound the cocoyam separately. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook, like I said earlier, for 30 good minutes. Okay guys, my cocoyam and palm kernel have been cooking for about 30 minutes and I want to bring this down. But before you do that, take a spoon and then check if you do like this and you are able to pierce through the cocoyam. You should know that it is the perfect time to bring it down, that it is ready. Okay, and also your palm kernel, when you pick it up and then you are able to pierce through it that same way, then it is ready. It is the perfect time to bring it down. Can you see that guys? Okay, so my cocoyam and palm kernel is ready. It is soft already, so I'm going to turn off the gas and then bring it down. Like I said earlier guys, that I'm going to be separating the cocoyam from the palm kernel. So this is a very easy thing to do. Okay guys, I have just separated my palm kernel from my cocoyam. I just separated these two, and right now I'm going to pound the palm kernel, and later on I'll pound the cocoyam. Okay, so into my pot I've just added my okporoko, my palm kernel oil, to add my cocoyam into the pot. This is my pounded cocoyam. I'll be adding this into the pot and allow everything to boil. So guys, as we all can see, the cocoyam paste I added to my pot of soup has dissolved. So right now I'm going to be adding my other ingredients. Next is my grounded crayfish with my red bell pepper that I'm going to be adding into the soup. Also, I'm going to be adding a very small quantity of salt because I already added salt in the meat while cooking it. So the next I'll be adding is my and right here I have got my bitter leaf, which I have washed very well, and I have steamed it, and while steaming it I added salt into the pot. I actually steamed this to get rid of the bitter taste in it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be putting this into the pot just like this. The bitter leaf is actually the last thing you add into the pot of soup, and after adding your bitter leaf, you turn off your gas and then your soup is ready. So guys, I already turned off the gas, and with this we've come to the end of this video. Guys, if you find this video helpful, if you like this video, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and drop a comment for me, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for always coming back. Until next time, goodbye.